In this video, we are going to look at a positive and negative lookahead in regular expression. So let us check the code. It's a Python code. Here you can see import RE. It's a regular expression package. And here one text variable is defined, which contains 4 lines. And here you can see one dictionary which contain a key and a value. Basically it's a symbol regex and is some regex here. And the next you can see here a for loop which iterate through the dictionary, each iteration getting key and regex. Next here is it is prints key and regex. Then here another print is happening. Here you can see regular expression sub. Basically it's a substitute. It is searching for this regex in the text and replacing with some text. So let us check in what is the regular expression here written. Here you can see one bracket is started, and here this is the a single character from A to Z, any character from A to Z, that is one or more times, and space then up as a regular expression. So here you can see this will match that regular expression because here the character is belongs to A to Z, and it is repeating one or more times. And here this also matches that regular expression, and this also matches, this also matches. Then why we use here a bracket? This is basically captured group. So if you are doing like this, you can refer this particular group at the time of replacing. So here you can see it is referring to that group. Here it's only one, that means it's a first. Says that one, you need to use that matching part here, and we are adding some star, a star before that and after that. Basically it will search for we'll put a star here before the put, it will put a star, after up it will put star here. The same thing will happen, we'll put a star both side, here also same. So that's what it's doing. Let me explain once again. We wrote one regular expression and we added a bracket around it so that we can refer to that that matching part. Basically it's a captured group. So here what we have done is that we refer to that captured group and added a star both sides. So let us run this code. Python lookahead. Now you can see here we are searching for this regular expression and replacing with star the searched part and star. So here we got a put up matching that regular expression and we put a star around it. Here we got a beat up and we put a star around it. Here we got get up, then here we got a setup. We matched that part and added star both sides. Now let us think about how to search for the this regular expression which is followed by with. So here you can see this part, actually that regular expression is followed by with. That is true here. Here also that regular expression is followed by with. So we basically we want to do this for only these two lines, this lines and this line. Here regular expression, that regular expression is followed by with. How to do that one? For that case we want to use look ahead, positive look ahead we should use, so that we can tell look ahead for with, like that we can tell. Let's do one thing. Let us go here. So let me write another regular expression. Let me call it positive look ahead. Positive look ahead. Now this is the regular expression we want and we want to capture. After that we want to tell we should use with. Assume that I'm using like this and I'm not going to change anything here in the replacing part. Assume that one. So let me add with here. Let me run this. So here you can see it's finding that line. That line contains with. This also it found and this also it found. But the problem is that one here the with is gone, because that is searched for this entire part and replaced star captured group star. So because of that one, there we didn't include with inside the capture group, so we didn't get that one here. So that's the problem here. With is missing. Now let us go here. So how to solve this one? One way you can solve it is add within in the replacing part. Here you can add with, but here the problem is that you are not search for a particular expression is followed by with. Instead what you have done is that you searched for a regular expression which contain with and replaced like that. That's not what we want. Basically we don't want to change anything here. So we want to search here a particular regular expression. In this case this one, a to z plus up, we want to search for that one which is followed by with. So in that case we need to use the positive lookup. What you need to do is that one, start with a bracket, question mark, equal to. This is the syntax of positive lookup, and close that bracket. Now what we have done here, we did opening bracket, question mark, equal to, and we wrote what is the thing you're looking. We are looking here with. So basically this regular expression is followed by with. This is what we have done. Now let us run this one. Okay, I will do one thing. I will add we don't want to put a space here. We will put space here. Space with we are looking for. Now you can see here we are searching for a particular expression is followed by with. Here also we found. So the remaining two line is not followed by with, so we didn't select that one. So this particular regular expression matches this line and this line. Didn't match this line or this line. Second line, third line, first or second line don't match with this regular expression. So once again I will repeat this one. We want to search for a particular regular expression which is followed by space with. This is a positive lookup regular expression. Starting with a bracket, question mark, equal to, and what is followed by. Here in this case space with, and close that bracket. That's a positive lookup. Now assuming that we want to search for a particular regular expression is not followed by with. In this case this is this particular expression is not followed by with, and this also is not followed by with. So we want to match this line and this line. How to do that one? So for that purpose, we need to use negative lookahead. Negative lookahead. For negative lookahead, what is the change you need to do is that instead of this equal to here, use not. Everything else is same. That's called negative lookahead. Let me run this one. Now you can see here, this particular expression is not followed by with. This also is not followed by with. Okay, so this is a positive lookahead and negative lookahead. Remember that one. If you want to do some lookahead, use this syntax and add what you want to look, what is you are looking for, then close that one. Here syntax is for negative lookahead. We don't want that after that particular expression, so you will use bracket, opening bracket, question mark, not, then what is a part you don't want, add that and close that one. That's it. Thanks for watching.